Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Hope you are all doing fine. Good to have you here. Please subscribe to my channel by clicking on the red subscribe button by your right hand side and hit on the bell icon beside the red subscribe button so that you'll be notified of all my videos. Thank you guys. Let's go straight into the video.
What do you want? But what do you want though?
I want us to be together, that's it.
You're who?
Me and you, together, 5 and 6.
So what you got?
Nothing.
Listen, you gotta look at my face. I don't mess with chicks like you. What are you doing? What do you want?
Excuse me?
You trying to start trouble around here?
No, I just want to be with you, that's it.
Listen, I'm not from around here. Please, don't play with me.
Really? You're going to be like that?
Get the fuck away from my car.
I should get the fuck away from your
Get away
car.
from my truck.
I don't need you anyway.
Okay, get away though. Shit. You over here acting a fool.
I know you.
Bitch, get out of here,
I
yo.
know you.
Fuck off.
I
said,
know you.
You don't know me. I don't know you.
You're on the police.
I don't-
I'm call the 911.
What? You better look at my face.
You better be with me. I'm
What you think this is? I fuck it up. You want to tell us shit? I see him only want to be a father. Say, "Go and do the man, fuck off here, yo, and get something." No, why share a dick? Man, get up, man. Who by alone drew the
You know, sometimes when I see ladies falling their hand, falling their leg and everything, I get embarrassed. You know, I dey have some girls they shame because in a normal sense, why would you as a girl, as a female, as a woman, as a lady ask a guy out? Why would you do that? A guy is supposed to ask you out. You to allow a guy to ask you out no matter what. Even if you see guy where you like, don't say it with your mouth that I like you or I love you. By so doing, you are devaluing yourself. You are taking away respect from yourself. Not every man, even if there are some men that appreciate women coming for them to ask them out and all that, telling them they love them, they want to take them out and all that, not every man accept or appreciate that. Very few men accept it when you ask them out, when you tell them that you love them first. Most men will run you down. Most men will disregard you, even if they decide to date you or marry. After some time, they are going to show their true color, their real selves. They are going to display it to you. That's why as a woman, you need to be careful. You need to be watchful. You need to be calculative. You need to be wise. You need not to be disrespected because you want to be in a relationship. You know, let me just take that girl as all these social free girls, you know. Maybe now social free them can do that thing when she fit do. Because I don't see a normal lady, a normal girl coming out. I don't know. Please let me know in the comment section if a normal lady will come out and start asking a guy out. It is high time you ladies, you start using your own sense. Learn to use your own brain by yourself. You don't need to listen to everything a man tells you, because some guys, they will tell ladies, get pregnant for me before I marry you. If you don't get pregnant, I will not marry you. You know, I have to be sure you are fruitful and all that. They are not. It's not everything that a man tells you you have to obey or you have to listen to. By the time a guy starts telling you you have to get pregnant before I get married to you, it's like he's doing you a favor by marrying you. Or it's because of the children that you are going to give to him that is getting married to you. So if you are not going to give him children, then it means there's no really love there. Because if there is real genuine love from that coming from that guy, he won't tell you to get pregnant before getting married to you. He won't tell you that you need to, you know, do some certain things before you get married. It is the value you place on yourself that others will place on you, that a man will place on you. Place so much value on yourself that yes, this lady has regard for herself, has respect for herself, she values herself, and so he will give you the same value, the same respect. Make yourself an expensive commodity, something that is valuable. Not just cheap. Approaching a guy. Not every man appreciates it when you come to them first. Not every man appreciate women coming to ask them out, telling them about love or relationship. Not every man will do it, because there are some men that will like it, there are some men that loves it, but very few. I'm not saying there are no men that loves it when a woman comes for them, but very few of them actually loves it. And how would you know if this man you are going for likes it when a lady comes for him first? Because some men, they will take it, they will tell you, I like it when a woman comes for me, well, I like it. But if you are in a relationship with them, they will change her for you. They are going to show their real character later. Say, after all, now you will tell me, say you like me. After all, now you want the relationship. After all, I never wanted you in the first place. You were the one that begged me to make to be in relationship with you. You are the one who forced me to be with you. You know, stuff like that. These are the things that ladies you need to avoid. Don't approach a guy first. Don't be the one to say I love you first. Don't be the one to say I want to be in a relationship with you first, because by so doing you are bringing yourself down. You know, this is more like a case of a lady getting pregnant before marriage. Do you know that there are some guys that I've found out, I've seen many occasions that the lady gets pregnant before marriage, and then after marriage, maybe they don't do the marriage for some time, for like 1 or 2 years, 3 years. You know, maybe they not have issue. You see the guy telling the guy, after all, you use pregnancy, hold me down. Now you go use belle, hold me before. I don't want to marry you before. So, there are some things you do as a lady, you know, because of out of desperation. You won't marry, I want to settle down, all my mates don't marry, finish. You now become desperate, and then you do the wrong thing. When you carry, say you won't get belle first before you marry, you won't carry belle for man before you marry him. Some men, they use them against you as a woman, if you don't know. Because I've seen so many cases, I've seen many occasions where guys, they insult ladies, come out from my house, I don't want again. Now you use belle hold me before, now the belle where you tell hold me, now I make a day with you. If not, I for not day with you. You know, story, blah blah blah, story like that. So you need to watch it as a lady, not to come say now you be the one where go they approach man first, say because say you want the relationship or because you want marry. When a man no want do it, no want do. If you want do, you go do. If they, you see, as a lady, if you not talk with your mouth, you get how you go take behave. You get how you go behave, you place yourself, so that make it not be like say you use your mouth talk, because now that talk now the wahala day. When you start talking, that's when you have problem. There are certain ways you will behave. There are ways you will act to make a guy know that you are interested in him. If he's the type that is not willing to talk. Because some guys still there be saying they find it difficult to approach girls or to approach ladies. So for those guys who find it difficult to approach ladies, there are ways you play your cards around them. There are ways you come in contact with them. There are signals. You know, not every communication has to do with. Not every communication is verbal. There are other non-verbal communication. You can give communication, you can communicate with your eyes, you can communicate with your body, you can communicate with the way you walk. Sometimes you don't need to communicate with your mouth first. So now that mouth might be the wahala, because when you talk and verbally, the men that all use that one, they will use them against you. So as a lady, know how to